Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI Nova 8i to HUAWEI device. Start by opening App Gallery on both devices. Then you need to tap on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Following that, download this free app, that one, from this developer. Then open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both HUAWEI devices. Then choose receive on HUAWEI device and send on 8i. Following that, you need to tap on all of those dots and select send in order to send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one photo, choose send and click got it. Over here we have the connection ways. We can input this password over here and choose receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, you need to tap on this scanning icon on HUAWEI device, just while using the app and point your device's camera at the QR code. Then wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into some kind of files app, click on resend in my case, and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!